All right, the next thing we want to look at is where tornadoes happen. So to understand where in the United States we get tornadoes, you have to understand the air masses that are involved. For starters, we have cold, dry air in a continental polar air mass coming from Canada and warm, humid air coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. They're going to meet somewhere here in the Midwest, and that's going to set the conditions up for our thunderstorms and our tornadoes. So in this animation, you can see we've got a couple of things going on. The first one is the cold air coming in from the north. Second thing you see is the warm air coming in from the south. These create a low pressure center between the air masses, which is going to create a warm front as the warm air pushes north, and a cold front as this cold air pushes to the east. So in a second here, I'm going to hit play, and we're going to watch this cold front move forward. What I want you to pay attention to is simply which direction, which area gets covered by this cold front, because the cold front is going to cause a line of thunderstorms, and it's then going to cause a line where you might have tornadoes. Every place the cold front goes increases the risk for tornadoes. So let's watch and see what happens. Okay, so this entire area that it just went through is the area that we're looking for that is most likely to have tornadoes. Now, I'm going to assume most of you know what it's called, but this area that gets the most tornadoes is called Tornado Alley. And this kind of shows you it's not a specific place, but this general area in the Midwest where we get the most tornadoes is Tornado Alley. That's the area where that cold front sweeps through and causes the air to go up really fast, which leads to our thunderstorms. Since these areas have more thunderstorms, they also end up with more tornadoes. Now, obviously, this area is where the air is going to go up the fastest, the most often, which is why they get the most tornadoes.